Are you tired, but still working, still studying? Are you hungry, but too busy to eat? This is real life, and today you will learn how to say this in Chinese. We built on two words in lesson 15, 因为 because, 但是 but. And today we will add a third one, which is 所以 so or therefore. Now your Chinese can show reason and result and even conflict. 我很累，我很饿，我很渴，我很忙，我很高兴，我不高兴，我不高兴。Now some new words. 我很冷 That's why I'm wearing this. 我很冷啊，我很热啊，很热很热。中文很难 Chinese is difficult. 中文很简单中文很简单 Chinese is easy. 简单难 difficult. Now 所以 therefore 我很累所以我休息 I'm very tired so I rest 我很饿所以我吃 I'm hungry so I eat 我很渴所以我喝水我很渴所以我喝水我很冷所以我喝热水热水 I drink hot water because I'm cold 很冷啊我很热所以我喝冷水我很热所以我不喝热水我喝冷水 More real life examples 我很忙所以我不吃 That's not healthy 我很忙 I'm very busy so that's why I don't eat 我很忙所以我不吃啊我很累所以我不学了 I'm too tired I'm not going to study anymore 我很累所以我不学了我很饿所以我买东西我很饿所以我买东西来吃 I'm hungry so I go and buy things to eat 我很忙所以我不去我很忙 Now let's add some complexity add 因为 and 所以 because and so 我不去因为我很忙我不去因为我很忙我不吃因为我不饿 Now let's put them together 因为我很累所以我不去因为我很累所以我不去因为中文很难所以我不学 Because Chinese is so difficult therefore I'm not studying it or 因为中文很难所以我学因为中文很难所以我学 That is interesting difficult but still learning That's great Now but 但是 with feelings 我很累但是我要学我很忙但是我要吃 I'm very tired but I still want to study I'm very busy but I still want to eat 我很饿但是我不吃 This is the opposite I'm very hungry but I don't want to eat No this is real life not always logical I'm hungry but I don't want to eat I'm tired but I want to study or even better 这很简单但是我不做 这很简单，但是我不做。This is very easy, but I don't want to do it. This is real life moments. 我很累，所以我睡，但是我不能，我很忙。This is real life moments. 我很累，所以我睡，但是我不能，因为我很忙。I'm very tired, so I sleep, but I cannot because I'm very busy. That's real life. Another one. 我很饿，所以我吃，但是我吃太多了，这就是生活。I'm hungry, so I eat, but I eat too much. Ah, this is life. This is a lesson for you. 因为我很累，所以我不学，但是我要学。Because I'm tired, I don't study. But I want to study. Isn't that the case? 因为我很累，所以我不学，但是我要学。So 因为 gives you your reason, 所以 gives you your result, 但是 shows your contrast. Now you can describe how you feel, what you do, and why. The Chinese is becoming more natural, joining concepts together. In lesson 17, we'll continue. We'll move forward into longer flowing sentences and smoother conversation. So keep repeating, keep speaking, speak out loud, let the patterns stay with you.